Welcome to our channel. Fixing a login lockout on Microsoft Teams can quickly restore your access and get you back to collaborating with your team. Step 1. Wait for the lockout period to expire, which is typically 30 minutes for Microsoft accounts after multiple failed login attempts. Step 2. Visit the Microsoft account recovery page at account.live.com password reset to initiate a password reset if you've forgotten your credentials. Step 3. Verify your identity using email, phone number, or authenticator app as prompted by Microsoft. Step 4. Create a new strong password following Microsoft's security requirements. Step 5. Clear your browser cache and cookies, or restart the Teams app to ensure old credentials are not cached. Step 6. Try logging in again with your new password. Step 7. If you're part of an organization, contact your IT administrator, as they can unlock your account or reset your password from the admin console. Step 8. Enable multi-factor authentication after regaining access to add an extra layer of security and prevent future lockouts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.